So, today we will be checking out a memory kit from the most awaited brand Fury. And yes, you guessed it right, it's Fury from Kingston. So, let's have a look at this premium looking memory kit. The model we have today with us is Fury Renegade RGB DDR4 16GB. With this, a monster speed of 4600 MHz can be touched. This model comes up with multiple variants and it also had a non-RGB model if you like it that way. This new Fury gaming memory has basically three models: the Beast, Impact and Renegade. Each one is designed and engineered for PC enthusiasts and gamers as well. The Beast and Renegade models are designed for desktop and Impact is specifically designed for laptop users. If you look at the box design, it also has been revamped compared to how HyperX used to be. The box and overall new branding looks more premium. This Renegade is compatible with both Intel and AMD platforms. As box says, it is a high performance memory, and as mentioned earlier, it's a RGB memory, so you can control the lighting with several third-party software. But why to go with third party when Fury has its own Fury control applications for managing the RGB lighting and syncing it with your other RGB component? Now let's see how the actual memory kit looks like. So this is a kit of 2 sticks of 8GB RAM, and just look at the design. The heat spreader design and the metallic Kingston Fury logo is just awesome. The memory seems to be quite premium with the Kingston brand quality level. Looking at the installation part, it was very simple. Here we have installed the kit in A1 and B1 slots of our motherboard, and it lit up when we start the PC. And look at that, wow, just look at those lovely lighting sticks. The Fury branding is looking awesome. It is definitely going with our whole RGB theme. We have overclocked the memory to 4600 MHz from the BIOS, and the increase in performance was very noticeable. Let's go for some gaming now and see the performance there. Let's start with Assassin's Creed Odyssey. The game loading time has improved and we even see a jump in FPS. Let's try another game, Horizon Zero Dawn. What a beautiful game it is. And the performance of Renegade is also top notch. Can't wait to explore this game further. As per our review, where we tried few other games as well, and we found a good performance improvement as well as faster loading times. Now let's see how we can customize the lighting effects and colors for our Renegade. The Fury Renegade comes with infrared sync technology, and we are using a MSI motherboard. So to customize the effects, we need a MSI center. Here you can see it automatically detected our RAM module. The image and model name here shows the same old HyperX Predator. So on the right side, we have our Mystic Light setting. From there, we can customize our RGB lighting. By default, it will show rainbow effect only, and there are many lighting styles to choose from. You can also choose any particular color to match your style. Our overall experience with the new Fury Renegade from Kingston was excellent. This 16GB 4600 MHz memory kit is recommended for all the gamers who want cutting-edge performance and brilliant RGB style for their systems. Also, the product quality, performance and style are same like what HyperX used to be. What has changed is just the name. The lighting is also bright and the catch of attention on style is very prominent. The few things that we missed is that Kingston could have redesigned its RGB lighting area. Other memories in the similar budget and performance range provide a larger RGB area, and thus we will be waiting for some new fresh designs from Fury in coming future. And yes, last but not the least, Kingston is also running a giveaway challenge. 5 winners will be awarded with Kingston gift boxes. To participate, please check the link given in the description below and do hurry up. With this, we end today's review session. Hope you liked it. Do let us know your views in the comments below. And yes, for all your PC and technology component needs, please visit www.tpstech.in. Thank you.